Not much action so far. It's been pretty slow, haven't really seen anything. However, Mike's over there. Probably can't see him. He just got a bite, but looks like he probably broke off.
Oh, come. That is so weird.
Mic check 1 2.
How are they sounding?
Crispy.
As I'm rigging up, Kowalski is on. Yeah! Let's go!
Fuck, that's so cool. Ah!
Oh, God, let's go, dude. That is so sick. That is so nice.
This is Mike from Fly All Season, and this is Meat Hang 2020, baby. Rio Grande edition.
Alrighty, folks, if you can see that sun setting in the background, the aspens and the pine trees, you might have a guessed. We are out west today. We are on a huge trip here in New Mexico. Could not be more stoked, but this is a long time coming. This trip has been postponed time and time again, given the circumstances of this year, 2020, but we are here, we made it, and I could not be more stoked. But this did not start at the campsite. We had a long time coming. This journey has not been short, you know. Started my journey all the way in Madison, made my way to St. Louis for a cheeky pit stop, got all the way to Kansas City, got all my stuff, brought it all the way to Wichita, and then me and my buddy Kowalski drove that all the way across the grain belt of Kansas, Oklahoma, and then into New Mexico. And I tell you what, I could not be more stoked to be here, to be in the mountain air, but we need to introduce you to Mr. Kowalski. This is Kowalski. Kowalski, tell the folks at home what you're about.
I'm about dirt bikes and fishing.
Yeah.
That's about it.
And we're gonna be doing one of those two things on Meat Hang 2020. So stick with. We're gonna get camp set up and we'll check back in a bit.
That'll do, pig.
To Meat Hang 2020.
To Meat Hang.
As you might be able to see, the sun is setting over the ridge. And we need to do a quick food update before it gets dark. Kowalski, what's our status?
Well, first off, we got some peppers and onions just sizzling in the pan.
Oh, they look brown and
got a little
beautiful.
butter in there, you know.
Yo.
Cooking good. You wait till they get a little brown.
Yep.
Perfection.
Beauty.
Then to go with those,
oh my
we have
lands.
these beautiful steaks.
The marbling. Kowalski, oh my gosh.
The marbling. To season, just whatever steak seasoning you find, it'll
Hell
work
yeah.
just fine as long as you're a good cook. And then you have some black pepper and a little bit of Italian.
Italian?
Throw it on these bad boys. A couple minutes each side. Get it medium rare.
Perfect.
Absolute perfection.
Italian, I tell you what, I can't wait. We got the fire ready to rip. As soon as dinner's ready, we're gonna light it up. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy our first evening here in New Mexico. So catch you then. We've got the fire all crackling. Kowalski has Camp Chef dinner. Oh my lands. That is out of this world. Alrighty, we had just finished dinner. Working on dessert. These cinnamon rolls are freaking epic. We're gonna finish these bad boys off and probably hit the hay and yeah, see you in the morning. We got a bright and early one. Alrighty folks, we are up. It is early, you can see it on my face. Holy shit, I look bad. Kowalski and I are making some brekkie. We're gonna get some food in our bellies before we hit the trail. But make sure to tell you where we're going and kind of what we're doing today. But first, gotta know what's cooking.
So we're making some scrambled eggs.
Scrambled.
With those scrambled eggs, we're gonna throw those on some tortillas with some salsa.
Chilies and salsa.
And we'll throw the tortillas back on the skillet.
Oh, you
Get them
wouldn't.
nice and toasted.
You wouldn't.
It's gonna be fire.
Oh, jeez. That's the perfect way to start a mountain morning. So yeah, we'll check back in when we are digging down.
It's pretty good.
We're starting to get packed up, ready to go. Kowalski's making us some awesome lunch. What are we making?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some peanut butter, then we're gonna put some trail mix in there. Then I'm also gonna slide a Fiber 1 bar in this
Jesus.
tortilla.
Oh God.
Because when you're out in the woods and you gotta go number 2,
You don't want to go number
it's
2.
gotta be a clean number 2. So a little tip of the trade for you when you're out camping.
Like I mentioned earlier, our plan for today is to hike up to a high mountain lake, and that lake is called Middle Fork. And so it's about 2 miles up. We're hoping to make it up very soon before the sun gets over. You can tell, a little windy this morning, so that might work against us, but we're gonna bring our waders, we're gonna wade out there, and yeah, hopefully get on some fish. So we'll check back in when we're on the trail, and yeah, we'll see you out there. Alrighty folks, I've got some good news and I got some bad news. Good news is we've made it to Middle Fork Lake. Bad news, we crossed paths with a horseback rider, and he made it known to us that this lake hasn't been stocked all year because of COVID, and all the fish die every year. But good news off of that is that Kowalski and I saw a pot of fish running by, so we know there's fish in here. Maybe not so many. Fingers crossed we can get into some, and yeah, just have a good dang time, man. First day New Mexico. We got to make it worth it, so stick with. Hopefully we get on one.
You want food, don't you?
Yeah, that's right. Alrighty, folks. We have come up with absolutely nothing so far, so it's lunchtime. You know, the water's really clear, and the wind's kind of being a son of a gun. We're having trouble dialing something in. I might have had one follow, otherwise it's been kind of quiet. How about you? You getting anything?
Nothing so far. Haven't even, besides at the point where we saw him, haven't seen anything.
We're trying to piece something together. We got plenty of time, plenty of daylight, and we'll make it happen. And if not, at least we're enjoying a beautiful view. So we're gonna gobble down and yeah, get some energy before we hit it hard again. Well, after a nice lunch, we may or may not have fallen asleep for I don't know how long, but after that nap, we're feeling so much better. Kowalski's gonna go hit the OG point. I'm gonna work this far side bank. We're just gonna divide and conquer, really try and get something going here as the afternoon rolls in good. So fingers crossed we can make something out of this damn day. Oh man, that was a fish. All right, that's a good and a bad sign. Bad sign is my rig wasn't quite up to snuff. Good news is though, that was our first freaking bite. All right, I think I know what I need to change up to, and yeah, try and get dialed in. Oh, I lost 2 freaking flies, man. God bless it. All right, y'all, it's been a minute since our last bite again. Let's check in with Kowalski, see if he's getting on anything. Hopefully he's having some luck. He's on the other side of the lake, and gosh, I hope it's better than mine.
Hey guys, it's your boy, Alex over here. Not much action so far. It's been pretty slow, haven't really seen anything. However, Mike's over there, probably can't see him, but he just got a bite, but looks like he probably broke off. So that's pretty exciting. Hopefully he can catch another one. Looks like he's rigging up again. See what happens.
Alrighty folks, we are calling it there. It has been a grinder session on Middle Fork. New Mexico's not giving away easy, I'll tell you that for free, but we're just running into problems all damn day.
Yeah, it's kind of just that bad mix of it's really windy, there's a lot of traffic, and the other problem is the water's really clear, so if you do see a fish, it sees you and it's gone.
Yeah, we had no luck. I had one bite on the other side of the freaking lake and it took my whole rig, so it's just been one of those days, and we're gonna cut our losses now, head to the red, maybe hit an eating bite. We need to get the hell off this rock though.
Yeah, we're gonna have to book it down the mountain.
So we'll see ya on the red. We just set a land speed record for getting down that freaking rock, and we are here at the red. We made such good time. We've got, I would say, a decent amount of time to try to put something together. So stick with and hopefully keep your freaking fingers crossed, man. The quest still continues. We can't find any fish.
We're trying, man. We're trying.
New Mexico, what the heck? Well, folks, I don't know what to tell you. This has been more of a travel sightseeing vlog than a freaking fishing anything. I mean, no effort to try, and we hit Middle Fork hard. We hit the red for a little while. Couldn't find anything there. We went to Cabresta Creek, tiny Cabresta Creek, and then this is Cabresta Lake. And last minute, you know, maybe there's fish here other times of the year, but we need a new plan. This is rough.
Yeah, we just gotta find, even here, like this lake, beautiful scenery, just no fish.
Granted, we only
Can't
gave
even see 'em.
it a couple hours, but shit, man, we've been all over Red River, Cuesta, and then back. So we've got a lot to think about. Official day one of meat hang, not going too hot, but that's why there's more days, and that's why there's more places to fish. So we're gonna rally. Hopefully, part 2 will be a little bit better than this. So whenever you're coming to New Mexico, I suppose, keep those freaking feet in water. And until next time, tight lines. Screw this shit. We're going to the Rio Grande. Kowalski is on. First fish of the meat hang. Popped out right at the freaking net, baby.
Better than yesterday.
Better than yesterday.